Hey my friend, Dylan Afazio here, and I want to welcome you to the Wi-Fi Wealth System. Now, in this video, you're watching this because you're on my email list or you've opted in and requested some information about the Wi-Fi Wealth System, but you haven't got set up yet. I want to walk you through and show you the true power behind this system and show you exactly how to get your system set up so that you can start making commissions without doing very much work. So what we're going to do, I'm going to jump over to my screen and I'm going to walk you through exactly what the Wi-Fi Wealth System is, what you're going to receive, how you're going to make money, and how you can actually start getting traffic and conversions to your system, to your bank account, so you can start making those $80 commissions. All right, on my screen here, as you guys see, we're in the stats page of this system. Now, if you guys have not set up your system yet, the middle button below this video, go there, set up your Wi-Fi Wealth System, and log in. If you don't have your login information, if you go to log in and it says your password is incorrect, make sure you go to your email and you check the spam folder, as sometimes the login information goes to your spam. Once you've got into the back office, you want to make sure that you go through every single step. So there's 10 steps inside of this system. It's going to walk you through how to set up all 3 income streams, and it's also going to show you how to set up your first traffic campaign. So before you send out your traffic, what I want you to do is I want you to go to your profile, and I'm going to show you how to get your your links. So what you want to do is your Wi-Fi partner's username. If you guys actually go over to activate your Wi-Fi partners button right here, and then you click on log into the dashboard, it's going to be the username that you set up. And then what you're going to see here is your username is going to be right here. So you're just going to copy that username. You're going to go back over to stats under my profile. And then you want to make sure that that username is right here. You want to make sure that you paste that username. Now, inside of MCA, how we're going to get our username there, you're going to want to go to the tvcmatrix.com. This is going to show you how to log into your back office. And then what you want to do is you want to go under first account. And what you want to do is you want to grab the ID. So you want to copy that ID. You want to come over to here and you want to put in MCA member number. There's videos in the training that are going to show you how to do this, but I want you to make sure that you double check it to ensure that you're getting paid. Now, to find your MCA ID number, what you want to do is you want to go under associates, and it's just going to be right here. So you want to have DeFazio Marketing. That is my MCA username. Now for Aweber, which is going to be our final income stream, what you want to do is, if you haven't set up your affiliate program, you're going to want to go type into Google, let's just go over to Google. Let's go to Aweber affiliate sign up. Okay. And then what you want to do is you just want to click here and sign up to Aweber, or make sure that you go through to the video and set everything up in there. As you guys see here, activate your Wi-Fi, activate your MCA. Everything is done in the training. This is just to show you, to ensure that you set everything up properly. Okay, so what you want to do, you're going to set up your account, and then to get your invoice number, you're going to go under my account. You're going to want to scroll to the bottom. You're going to find billing, and then you want to grab your first invoice number. So that's going to give you the ability to activate your account. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to log out, and then you're going to be given an affiliate ID. Mine is 464998, and that's going to be the code that you're going to log in to check your stats, but it's also going to be the code that you want to put in for your affiliate ID. So you're going to get an email from Aweber setting that up, and then you can just link it to whatever account that you want. So that's how you set up your system. Make sure, if you haven't done that already, click the button below this video, set up your system, and now what we want to do is we want to start sending traffic. Okay, so to get your link to send traffic to, you're going to want to go to your promo link, or you can find it under My Stats. I recommend to go to My Stats, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab this link right here. So I copy from the equal sign all the way back, or you can just delete Udemy Guy 1, and what you want to do is you want to put at the end after the equal sign whatever solo ad vendor you're going to be using, or whatever traffic source you're going to be using. So as we see here, Sarah Chu, I have one for Tumblr, right? I recommend setting up multiple tracking codes to ensure you see where sales are coming from. As you guys see, YouTube is a pretty good conversion rate so far, and so does broadcasting the emails, right? So the system does convert. It's a great system, and I definitely recommend it to anybody, and it's free. So all you got to do is set up your MCA account, or link your MCA account, and set up your Aweber account, or link your Aweber account. Definitely converts like crazy, and it's a great system. Now, in order to send out traffic, what you're going to want to do is you want to go down to step 8 and get website visitors. They're going to give you an email that you want to use to send it out, and they're also going to give you a traffic order checklist. So you want to make sure it's tier 1 only. You want to make sure it's desktop traffic. You want the vendor to have at least 3 testimonials, and they're going to go through all of this, but this is where you find your email. So you want to copy this email into your Udemy account. So how you can do that is you can go under add text. As you guys see here, mine is set up, and you want to use that. So you can just go through, click on it, edit it, put your link in, and you're good to go. As you guys see here, if I click the link, right, for this email, I have Sarah Chu, right? So I have an equal sign with Sarah Chu for my Wi-Fi well system. That way I know that it's, the traffic is coming from her, and I'm able to, do a decision or not, right? So if I go back to my Wi-Fi well system and I go under stats, right, I seen that Steven, I bought 100 clicks from him. I don't recommend buying any more from one vendor until you get a conversion. But Steven, although I got 14 Wi-Fi partners, I didn't get any MCA partners, and I want to get MCA partners because that's an $80 commission. So, I'm not going to be ordering from him anymore, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to order traffic. I went through and I found another vendor, which I'm going to test out now. So not every vendor is going to be, a home run, but it doesn't take very many sales to, recoup profit. For me to buy 100 clicks, it's like $50. So even if I got one sale, I'm still in profit. And if you guys click on the secret traffic training, I'll show you how to use your email list to increase the conversions substantially. As you guys see here, when I send out an email to my list, I'm getting an average of a couple signups here and there. So that's pretty much it for the breakdown of the Wi-Fi well system. I want to thank you and welcome you to the team. And also, there's a link to the Facebook group as well. So I want you to join the Six Figure Clan Facebook group. That's where you're going to get access to me. I'm going to be able to help you. I'm going to be sharing some, vendor results, which vendors I get success from, so that you guys don't have to do this. You don't have to go through and buy a vendor that doesn't give you a sale. You can see, okay, Dylan's used this vendor, this vendor, this vendor. These are all good. I'm going to pick and choose which one I want to send traffic from. So I'm going to do all the testing for you guys. All you got to do is click the link below, set up your Wi-Fi well system, and we'll see you guys on the inside of the Facebook group and on the inside of the system. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in future videos.